Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the iPhone personal hotspot and confirming Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices. Once done, check the hotspot name and password shown in settings so you can enter them on the PC. Make sure the PC's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. If it isn't, enable it in network settings. You do this now because the phone publishes the network and the PC needs an adapter ready to associate, so the next step can connect immediately. On the PC, open the Wi-Fi menu and select the iPhone's hotspot SSID from the list. Click Connect and type the password shown on the phone. Once connected, choose a private network to allow file sharing and stable DNS. If Wi-Fi fails or you prefer a wired link, plug the iPhone into the PC with a USB cable and tap Trust on the phone. Windows should show an iPhone network adapter and route internet through it. These options give you a robust path for data and latency control. Final steps. Verify the PC has internet by loading a web page or running a quick ping. Once confirmed, adjust sharing settings as needed. If there's no connection, toggle the iPhone's personal hotspot off and on, restart Wi-Fi on the PC, or reconnect the USB cable and retrust the device. Make sure carrier data or low data mode is not limiting tethering, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that may block traffic. This resolves most common interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.